Morning students, welcome to physics class. In this class, how to discuss about a topic of field force. What is the field force? The force which occurs without any physical contact between two objects is known as a field force. Magnetic force, it is the example of the field force. Okay, field force. Field force. What is the field force? The force, the force which occurs, the force which occurs without physical contact, without physical contact, physical contact between two objects, is known as field force. Field force or a force at a distance. A force at a distance. Okay, students, what is the field force? The force which occurs without any physical contact. Without any physical contact between two objects is known as field force or a force at a distance. Examples: magnetic force. Example: magnetic force. Magnetic force is an example of field force. That is, the force must be act on the objects, but there is no any physical contact between the objects. Okay, okay, students. Okay, students. We look at what is this. This is a magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. It is used for the identification of directions: north, south, east, west. In this magnetic compass, we notice that a needle, it is the present at the center of magnetic compass. This needle is freely rotation. This needle is freely rotation about the point of the axis. Okay, students, we notice that we have to notice that this needle is freely. This is that. Okay, students. We notice that the needle in magnetic compass. We notice that freely rotation about a point. Okay, now we take a. This is a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. Okay, students. Now take, this is a bar magnet in my left hand. This is magnetic compass in right hand. Okay, students, had clearly noticed there is no any deflection. That is, there is no change the direction of needle. That is, the needle in magnetic compass is stationary. Okay, now I bring that this bar magnet towards the magnetic compass. We notice that the deflection in a needle. What is the reason? The deflection of needle in the magnetic compass because of a magnetic force. We notice that this is a magnetic compass. This is a bar magnet. There is no any contact between them. but the force is must be acting on the needle of compass needle. What is the reason? Because of a magnetic force. Magnetic force is a field force. Okay, students, have noticed that clearly the deflection of the needle in the compass needle without any physical contact between the magnetic compass and the ball magnet. So that's why the magnetic force is an example of a field force. Okay, students, now take two bar magnets. Each bar magnet has two poles. Each bar magnet has two poles. One is a north pole, and next one is a south pole. We notice that the like poles are repel or push. They are push each other. Unlike poles are attract. Unlike poles attract or pull. They are pull each other. The action of push and pull arises due to a magnetic force. Okay, students. The action of push and pull, they are arises due to a magnetic force. Okay, have to take, this is a one bar magnet, this is that another bar magnet. Each magnet has two poles. Okay, north pole and a south pole and a north pole. Okay, friends, we notice that this bar magnet is pushed to another bar magnet. What is reason? Because of like poles they are repelled or pushed to each other. Okay, students, had to clearly notice that these two bar magnets are repelled. That is the action of push. What is the reason? We notice that there is no physical contact between two magnets. No contact, but the force is the act on that magnet. What is the reason? Because of a magnetic force. Okay, next one, opposite poles. That is the unlike poles. A north pole and a south poles, they are attracted or pull. Okay, students. Okay, once again, we notice that this is one bar magnet. This is another bar magnet. Had to bring the bar magnet to that bar magnet. What is notice? We notice that a magnet is attracted another magnet. Okay, what is the reason? Because of magnetic force. And that means magnetic force means it is that field force. Magnetic force is a field force. Once again, I have to repeat that the definition of field force: the force which occurs without any physical contact between two objects is known as field force or a force at a distance. And that means here there is no any physical contact between the objects, but the force must be acting that object. Is that a magnetic force? In the case of this is a magnetic compass, this is a bar magnet. We notice there is no physical contact, but we have noticed that the deflections in a needle in the compass needle. What is the reason? Because of the force must be acting on the needle of a magnetic compass. So this is an example of a magnetic force or field force. Okay, friends, tomorrow we'll continue discuss and new topics. Thank you.